So what we have here is just it's a 1978 Firebird. It's just all taken apart. I purchased this car back in 2014, so it's been sitting here for about 4 years now. When I purchased it, I went all out, started buying all this stuff for it. So basically, I got everything I need to put it together, but life happens. I got busy at work, got a career change and all that stuff. So a lot of positive stuff happened in those 4 years, and had another. We have another baby. She's 1 month old, so just busy. But it's gonna be my project car for the year. It's a 1978 Firebird. I purchased this car from a local guy. He put it on Craigslist for $500 with a clean title, so I knew I had to buy it. So it's actually a Pontiac Firebird Formula. When I bought it, it didn't have an engine or a transmission, so no drivetrain. And so I purchased this Pontiac 400 with a TH 400 from a 1973 Pontiac Grand Am. I bought it for $600, and so I got it home. I took it apart, rebuilt it, put a cam on it, all that stuff. Well, it's been sitting, so I had to rebuild it again. Just because Arizona, dry heat and dust and all that stuff, so a lot of dry parts. So 78 Firebird. It's got my spindles, control arms, all that stuff, and also got all my parts over here. I got a front end for it. This one was cracked, the original was cracked, so I got spare parts. There's the hood. Pretty decent shape. I mean, you got like surface rust, but it's pretty straight car. I mean, it's not bad. And then I got the fenders up there. So basically, I'll be working on organizing a bunch of stuff and put something together, and hopefully everything goes well.